How to delete your Paycom account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your Paycom account. So first thing, make sure you are logged into your Paycom account inside your browser, any of your browser. And once you're inside here, as you can see, if you are a client or employee or an employee, just make sure you have logged into your particular account. And once you do that, to delete your account, you just have to request your HR or manager, whoever is in charge of your account. Simply click on this contact option from over here and it will redirect you to this page where you will have to select your location, just like this. Let's say if you are from Florida, Miami, simply click on it, and once you select your location, and once you are on this screen, you just have to call this phone number from over here, which will redirect you to your HR or manager, and they will instruct you on for further details for deleting your account. And you just have to follow their instructions, and just like that, you will have successfully deleted your Paycom account. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.